there, it's Ashley from WTI, and this is LEGO Duplo's Superhero Lab toy set, and this is perfect if you have a toddler that can't quite do the small Legos yet. These ones are bigger in size and easier to put together. It's also not as much assembly required, which is really nice because I have found that my son can do this pretty much on his own. From when we first got it for him, he had no problem being able to figure it out. It comes with Spider-Man, Iron Man, and Captain America. And of course, little boys just love these superheroes. I would highly recommend this if you have a young child that loves Legos and you want to get them started early. This is perfect because they can do it on their own. It has bright colors. You can make different variations of the lab, and it's a lot of fun. We like to play with it with our son, and he has a blast. But that's just my point of view.